If your heavy-duty diesel truck is struggling to warm up on a cold morning, or you have noticed your engine braking just is not what it used to be, you might have a P04A2 code, which means your exhaust pressure control valve is reading a high signal. This code is specifically for diesel engines like the Ford Power Stroke or the Dodge Cummins, and it usually involves the system that creates back pressure in your exhaust. Manufacturers put a valve in the exhaust stream to help the engine generate heat faster when it is freezing outside, and it also acts as a brake to help slow down your heavy trailer when you are coming down a steep grade. This system is vital for anyone doing serious towing or living in northern states where winters are brutal. The code pops up when the exhaust pressure sensor sends a signal to the powertrain control module that does not match what the intake manifold or the outside air pressure says it should be. You will likely feel a significant lack of power, and the truck might take forever to get up to temperature. The most common causes are a stuck exhaust valve, a restricted pipe, or a plugged-up sensor tube. Those tiny sensing tubes are notorious for getting clogged with soot and carbon over time, which traps pressure inside and tricks the sensor into giving a high reading. You should start by finding the exhaust pressure sensor and checking this small metal tube that connects it to the manifold. Take the tube off and try to blow through it with some shop air to see if it is blocked. If it is plugged tight, a quick cleaning might be all you need to save yourself a few $100s. While you are there, check the wiring for any signs of heat damage, since the exhaust area gets incredibly hot and can easily melt through plastic insulation. Look at the connector for any signs of moisture or corrosion that might be causing a short to voltage. If you have a scan tool, you can monitor the boost pressure while you drive, and you should see it change by at least 18 psi when you step on the gas. If the pressure stays static or jumps way too high, the sensor itself is likely shorted internally and needs to be replaced. Use a digital voltmeter to check for a steady 5-volt reference signal coming from the computer, and make sure your ground is solid. If all your electrical tests pass, but the valve is physically seized, you might have to replace the actual valve assembly in the exhaust. It is a good idea to see a professional diesel technician if you suspect a turbocharger overboost issue, or if the valve is stuck shut, because that extra back pressure can actually cause engine damage if left uncorrected. Fix it now so you can get back to hauling your gear with confidence and keep that diesel humming down the highway.